Hi, in this tutorial we're going to create a simple newsletter archiver for Mailchimp. This could also be adapted for any email provider. ConvertKit I know is another popular one, but we're going to set it up so after every campaign is sent from Mailchimp, we're going to save all the details of that campaign, including all of the content in various forms, into Airtable so you can record it later, and then also provide an outbound email to you to notify you that it's been done and saved. I know that once you're sending a lot of email campaigns out, it's often easy for them to get lost and a pain for them to archive, so hopefully this will help. It's good for creators. So you're going to need, for this one, you need a Mailchimp account, you need Airtable, an empty base, and for the glue we're going to use Integromat. So once you've got all that ready, we're good to go. Go to the first step.